Hey guys, welcome to another trapping video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how I got my trap voice and how you can get yours through some simple and easy steps. First step, what you want to do is you want to drink lots and lots of water. Water is one of the key ingredients for trapping people. The second step is what you want to do is you want to clear your throat. You want to get all the gunk out of your throat so it's easier to reach the higher pitches. And the next step, you want to be able to raise your voice and keep a soft pitch. Like,
if you use your normal voice like this and you get
really soft, and then you're able to do a higher pitch voice like me. That's how you basically do it.